The Citizen Journalist app is based on blockchain and other peer-to-peer technologies like IPFS. What is blockchain? Blockchain is a distributed ledger that is append-only, which means data can never be deleted or changed, it can only be added to it. The most famous example of blockchain is Bitcoin, which is used for value transfers. The Citizen Journalist app uses Ethereum and IPFS as its underlying technologies. Ethereum is a blockchain that introduces the concept of smart contracts. Smart contracts is self-fulfilling code that is running in the blockchain by predefined rules. The code doesn't belong to anybody and it executes and cannot be manipulated. IPFS, or the Interplanetary File System, is a decentralized data store. The data is cut into different pieces and hashed, so it can never be changed. We use IPFS because data cannot be stored in the blockchain, so the combination of Ethereum and IPFS ensures that journalists can upload their content in a safe way. Here we see how the journalist is uploading his content. The content is first stored in IPFS and cut into pieces, and then a hash is generated, which can never be faked. After that, the reference to the hash and the public address of the journalist are sent to the smart contract where it is stored, and other users can now access the content. They also have the security that this content will never be changed and that it was submitted in this way by the journalist with this address. The Citizen Journalist DApp stands for Decentralized Application, is basically the connection between the users consuming the content and the journalists. The users can see all the content that was submitted by the journalists. They can also see how many donations a specific content got, and also they can send out donations to the journalists. They can download the content, and they always have the security because the DApp is talking directly to the blockchain, so the users know that this data was not faked and there is no intermediary or centralized institution that could manipulate what they see in the DApp. The Citizen Journalist app and DApp are especially useful for journalists in autocratic countries where the journalists and freedom of speech are usually oppressed. With the smart contract, they can upload content anonymously and don't have to fear consequences for it. They can also receive donations without the need of a bank account. On the other side, the users know that a regime did not manipulate or fake the content because it is stored in a smart contract, and the source can be tracked by its public address. The Journalist app overall ensures that journalists can do their job safely without fear of oppression.